the gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, and doing what needs to be done. I am on my way to Alderley Edge. I'm going to go and hang out with some friends. We just got to Stockport. Oh my days. I thought I was paying £4.80 for my ticket. It happened that I paid £6.10. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how they split the ticket into going to Levinshulme and then from Levinshulme to Alderley Edge, and it was on the same train. I was rushing to the train station. I checked, it says £4.80. I booked it, and then when I checked my account, it was £6.10. It doesn't matter. This is a few days later after I went to Alderley Edge for a night out, and yesterday I went to see a friend of mine. I've even posted the video of what she gave me. The weather is a bit cloudy this morning. I want to go and have a quick workout. Quickly. You know what I did not plan for? I did not plan for it to rain. I know the weather is weird, but it's raining. I wanted to get this bag, like little shoulder bag for night out. I have one, but I don't have it here with me at the moment. And I wanted to get one. I don't know if I'll be able to get to buy it because I have an event that I'm going to tomorrow evening, and I wanted a smaller bag. So I will see if I can get that bag today. I'm going to go to Aldi as well after the gym to buy some cleaning products for the toilet and the bathroom. I went to Aldi. That's my Aldi shopping bag. I went to Aldi and got some things. You know what I just realized? The things I spent £37 for a few days ago, I bought it less price in Aldi. Anywho, thank you so much for spending some time with me. If you have watched up until here, let me know what you think in the comment section. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.